Hello everyone. It's been a couple of days since I have uploaded any video. So today's video is about 2020 to 2021 what the CBSE says about map, geography map. Okay? Now let's start. Learning map is a skill provided you have to practice it. So your book has smaller fonts so that you cannot see properly. So I have given you some maps which are like illustrated properly. So to start with, chapter 3, it is not there in the portion, but still map alone is included in 2020-21. So you will be learning about dams. Where are the dams situated? Actually, question doesn't come to you directly. They don't ask you where to mark Salal Dam. They don't ask like that. They will ask the river name by chance. For that I have shared you the rivers. You can see with that. Salal Dam, it is situated on Chenab River, Jammu and Kashmir. Bakranangal Dam, Satluj River, Himachal Pradesh. Theri Dam, it is on Bhagirathi River, Uttarakhand. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Chambal River, Rajasthan. They might ask you to fill up or mark the map on Rajasthan. Or they might ask you Chambal River, the dam on Chambal River. Sardar Sarovar Dam on Narmada River in Gujarat. Hirakud Dam, it is on Mahanadi River, Odisha. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Krishna River, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. If they ask you like Andhra Pradesh Dam in Andhra Pradesh, you can mark Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. If they ask Telangana, you can do it as Telangana, but both are on Krishna River, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Tungabhadra Dam or Pampa Sagar Dam. Tungabhadra River, Karnataka. So you can see the map now. This is your map. So here you can see Jammu and Kashmir Salal Dam, Bakranangal Dam in Theri Dam, Uttarakhand, Hirakud Dam, Odisha, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. It is there seen in between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. You can see here. So you have to go with the points. Tungabhadra Dam, it is near in Karnataka. Sardar Sarovar Dam, Gujarat. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Rajasthan. So I'll just come back 1 second. You just see here. Sardar Sarovar Dam, Gujarat. Hirakud Dam, Odisha. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, in between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Tungabhadra Dam is otherwise called as Pamba Sagar Dam. It is situated in Karnataka. Salal Dam, Jammu and Kashmir. Bakranangal Dam, Satluj River, Himachal Pradesh. Theri Dam, Bhagirathi River, Uttarakhand. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Rajasthan. So, we'll go with the map there. So here, Himachal Pradesh, Bakranangal Dam. Uttarakhand, Theri Dam. Jammu and Kashmir, Salal Dam. So you need to by heart like that, memorize like that, and it will be easy for you as you come. State map is the one what you have to learn very much by heart. So this area you need to memorize well. This area here, that you need to memorize well. It is very difficult, but still you can go with easily. Might be in the next video, I'll be sharing you how to learn this northeastern states easily. Coming to the next lesson, minerals and energy resources. Minerals, iron ore mines. Only 5 CBSE is asking you. Mayurbhanj, Durg, Bailadila, Bellary and Kudremukh. So it is all given here. Mayurbhanj is located in Odisha. This is Chhattisgarh. Durg. Durg and Bailadila both are found in Chhattisgarh. Ballari, it is in Karnataka. Kudremukh mine again Karnataka. So once more, Mayurbhanj, Durg, Bailadila, Bellary and Kudremukh. These are iron ore mines. They might ask you, mark an iron ore mine in Odisha. So what you will mark? Mayurbhanj. That's all. Sometimes you will be lucky enough, they will ask you straight answers also. So it will be easy for you even more. Coal mines, Raniganj, Bokaro, Talcher, Neyveli. West Bengal, Raniganj, Jharkhand, Bokaro, Talcher, Odisha. Neyveli, Tamil Nadu. Oil fields, Digboi, Naharkatia, Mumbai High, Baseen, Kalol and Ankleshwar. Oil fields, here you can see, this is a very small portion here, but two are very closely situated here, Nagarkatia and Digboi, Kalol, Ankleshwar, Baseen, Mumbai High. These are coming outside. So in the ocean you need to mark. It is not there inside any state. You have to see the points over here, Baseen and Mumbai. Minerals and energy resources again. Energy resources, power plants. Thermal, Namrup, Singrauli and Ramagundam. Thermal power plants. Now we are going to see the thermal power plants. Only 3 are there. So here you can see thermal power plants, the dots here. So many are there. Extras are marked up. You just go with Namrup, Singrauli and Ramagundam. Ramagundam is here. Ramagundam, Singrauli, and one more, Namrup. Here it is. You can see. So I'm just showing you, locating you with the mouse. Might be in the next video, I'll be posting you separately power stations. Just to share with, I have taken this map. Nuclear power plant, Narora, Kakrapara, Tarapur, Kalpakam. Here, whatever is marked in X. So all that it is there in X. Extras are there. You just go with the 4 which is given there. Narora, Kakrapara, Tarapur and Kalpakam. I'm just keeping it for you to see and mark it for yourself. You can have one map and just copy it, or you can have your book and underline it. So it is there in the book also. You need to just underline over there. Lifelines of national economy, major ports. Kandla, Mumbai, Marmagoa, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Haldia, Chennai, Paradip and Vishakhapatnam. So everything is here given. It is only the seaports. I'll just read it once again. Kandla, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Marmagoa, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Paradip, Haldia and Kolkata. I'm just keeping it for a long time so that you can mark it somewhere. Next, lifelines of national economy, international airports. Amritsar, Raja Sansi. Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Chennai, Meenambakam. Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. So all these are international airports. Amritsar, Raja Sansi. Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Jaipur, Sanganer, Raja Bhoj, Bhopal. These are something extra which are given for you. But you can stick on to the ones which I have put it in the PowerPoint over here. They have asked only 6. So you can stick on to those 6 and practice that well. Meenambakam, Chennai, Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Manufacturing industries, cotton textile industries. Mumbai, Indore, Surat, Kanpur, Coimbatore. So here this map is about like two are given, the dotted one and the triangle inside a dotted one. So you can go with that. So I'll just read out the dotted ones. Ahmedabad, Surat, Indore, Mumbai, Kanpur, Madurai, Coimbatore. Now coming to this triangular one, iron and steel plants. So iron and steel plants are Salem, Vijayanagar, Visakhapatnam, Bhilai, Rourkela, Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Bokaro. Still it is there in the book, children. You can underline or you can have a map for yourself and practice. Anyway, this is there on the YouTube anytime. You can see that, download it, or you can keep it with you anytime in the phone. You can see and look for yourself and practice. That is why I have given this one. Iron and steel plants, Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar, Salem. So the same thing, the triangle ones. So I'm not going to read once again. This is already done for you in the next previous slide. Software technology parks, Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Thiruvananthapuram. You can see how many it's marked up. So you can go with that. Noida, Jaipur, Gandhinagar, Indore, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram. So that's all. We have come to the end of the map session also. Already in the agricultural lesson, I have shared so many maps regarding agriculture. So I did not take that now. So it will be easy for you if you practice. Whenever you are free, you use your phone to view the maps. You work out and see, it will be easy. So knowledge increases if you share, subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Happy learning, children. Thank you.